Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing the Allure December 2019 unboxing. I'm probably like the last person to do this. I did just receive it yesterday, which was December 17th. So I will be unboxing it. I will not be surprised, but I will pretend to be because I've already opened it. Así soy, and I don't like surprises. It doesn't even close right, like that's how I opened it, and then I badly put it back together. For those of you that don't know, the Allure Beauty Box is $15 a month plus tax. So that's what it is, and you are guaranteed to get a $50 to $90 value. So if you're looking to get, once in a while you'll get a full-size item, or maybe like once every box you'll get a full-size item, and then all the rest of them will most likely be deluxe samples, but they're usually pretty good brands. So if you are interested in signing up for a subscription because you want to build up you want to build up your makeup and your skincare and your hair care, then I do definitely recommend Allure Beauty Box. It's homegirl. So this is homegirl Anastasia. She probably wouldn't agree with me calling her homegirl, but this is homegirl right here. She's real pretty, she's real cute. So since it has her picture, I'm pretty sure she curated the box, which means that there's more Anastasia items in the box. So the first thing that I see is a Scrub Levant a cleansing purifying scrub with sea salt. I was trying to read this thing that's in another language. So cleansing purifying scrub with sea salt. This purifying shampoo is ideal as a detox or post-coloring treatment. Apply on wet hair, massage on the scalp rather than rinse. So I am actually excited to use this little thing. It'll probably last me like two uses. This is how small it is. Oh, I'm gonna open it. It smells good. I feel like it smells like a male cologne. So it has no parabens, silicones, or colorants. The next thing is this liquid lipstick in the shade Trust Issues. Girl, who got trust issues? Ooh, that's cute, That is really pretty. Let me swatch. That's really pretty. That is the worst swatch ever. Come on, get with the program, Talia. And I'm doing it worse. It's really pretty. I would try it on my lips, but I already have a lip on. Next is this Coconut Skin Smooth Priming Moisturizer. So it is a moisturizer. This one's actually pretty big, so that's nice. And also, just so you know, this is a full-size item. It is pretty big, so that's nice. And I do see this brand, like a lot of people like this brand, so I'm excited to try this one, but again, I can't try it yet. Okay, I can't open everything, and I'm actually thinking of having a giveaway. Stay tuned. Is this clear brow gel? And I'm not gonna open this one either because I actually like the tinted brow gel, so I don't want to open this and then ruin it and then I can't give it to anyone. So this actually may go in a giveaway to my 20 right now. Like as I'm filming this, I have 24 subscribers. Okay, last but not least is this Moonchild Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit palette. It's cute, but I think I received this like a year ago, and I actually gave it to my sister, I think. Tell me if I'm wrong, Salma. Tell me down there in the comments. You see? Allá abajo. Let me know. But I'm not gonna swatch it. I'm not gonna use it. I'm actually gonna give it to someone. So these are just different color highlights that I personally wouldn't use. I am very basic, so I probably wouldn't use these. I would say like people that go to like, you know, Coachella concerts outside, get all prettied up and glowed up, you'd probably use these. I'm thinking of putting that in a future giveaway, so as of right now I am not going to touch it. So the recap again is this Moonchild Anastasia palette, the clear brow gel, the liquid lipstick in Trust Issues, this coconut skin smoothing primer, priming moisturizer, and then the last thing that we got is the cleansing purifying scrub with sea salt. And I will be trying this one. So I'll let you guys know what I think of this, and by that I mean I will let you know in a Instagram video. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me. My Instagram handle is totally Thalia, just as it's spelled on my YouTube canal. And let's see if there's any prices in here. I believe there should be prices. Okay, so the glow kit is $40. Sorry. I need to remember that not everyone speaks Spanish. So the first one is $40. The glow kit is $40. The liquid lip is $20. The brow gel is $22. The priming moisturizer is $28. The purifying scrub sea salt, the price says $53, but I think that's wrong. And the reason I think that's wrong is because it's so small. I think that's for like the normal full size, so that's just like a number for you guys to know. So I can't give you the price on that one, so I'll just say, let's say like $10. So for paying, I only paid $12.99 because I was going to cancel and they gave me a discount for canceling, so I decided to stay with them. So I paid $12.99 and this box is worth over $120. So I think this is a very good box. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Give it a thumbs down if you don't like this video. Comment down below. Want to see how I put this look together with the mini controversy palette? Please watch the video that should be showing up right after this video ends. Thank you so much for being here, guys. Bye-bye. Take number 4. Hi guys, Editing Thalia here. Editing Thalia here. So I am here to tell you that first off, thank you to my 34 subscribers. As of right now, that's what I have. That's the number I'm at, and I just want to let you know that I want to do a giveaway, and I will be doing a giveaway as soon as we hit 100 subscribers. So as of right now, all you have to do is subscribe. The giveaway will include an eyeshadow palette, include other things, and then I will give you more information in the following video. So please subscribe. Yeah. Subscribe.